My name is Francis. I'm going to be a senior and I'm doing an internship at David A. Smith Printing.
We're a locally family-owned company. We've been in business for over 50 plus years. We do anything as small as business cards all the way up to full backdrops.
It's blue and a little bit of black, I think. I'm doing a variety of things like shrink wrapping. I've been helping with the bindery.
And just bump it.
It's a fast-paced environment.
There we go, right there, like that.
I like to interact with the process and be a part of it. And I like being hands-on.
Francis is a great asset.
You press it down and it melts the plastic together.
There's not too much explaining that has to be done. You know, he has the gist of what we're doing and he gets the job done when we ask him to do it.
For me, it's like pride, like kind of pride in the work I've done.
I think it's important for kids coming out of high school these days to understand that you got to start somewhere and it's okay to start low and work your way up. That's kind of how it works. So I hope he can take that and understand that his hard work will get him places.